Hello! Welcome to the video you've probably already been watching for a bit, but here it is. I got this from a airport that had a Lego vending machine, so let's unbox the Space Construction Mech. Let's get started. Okay, so usually for these slightly cheaper mech suit things, they're usually, well, not very creative, but this one is amazing. It has a punch thing. Look at that. Look at the action. It also has a claw over here, which is quite nice. It did have quite a few stickers, but it was overall pretty good. Pretty easy to build, and yeah, I really like how posable it is. Look at that. Anyway, that is all.